Welcome to the Mind Body Mountain and this guided Vipassana meditation. Find a comfortable position, either sitting up nice and straight or lying down if needed. Allow your hands to rest naturally, and when you're ready, close your eyes. Let's start by allowing your breath to find a comfortable, relaxed and natural rhythm. So there is nothing to force or control. Just take a minute now to let your breath settle. Vipassana means clear seeing. Seeing things as they really truly are. In this practice, let's explore this by imagining that we are sitting on a riverbank, watching the river flow by. The water moves constantly, and we can see leaves, branches, other pieces of debris float by. Ripples form and disappear. There's a lot of activity. But we don't need to jump into the river or interact with any of the branches. We don't need to try to stop the current. We can sit to the side and observe. And your thoughts are a lot like this. We can let our thoughts flow past in the same way. The practice here is not to stop the river or interact with it. It's to perceive it without being pulled in. So for this meditation, we're not trying to stop our thoughts. It's more that we are learning to observe them. So let's explore now for a moment the concept of noticing a thought pop up into our mind and investigate whether it's possible to not engage with it by returning to following our breath. Let's try that for a few moments. bring your attention back to your breath and try to notice where you feel it most clearly. So perhaps at the nostrils or the back of the throat. It could even be the chest area or the rising and falling of the belly. Follow your breath and try to observe. Let's have a go now. Notice the coolness of the in-breath and then the warmth of the out-breath. There's a gentle movement of the body, breathing itself. So let's now practice breathing, following the air as we take our breath. And if the mind wanders, simply notice and then make the decision to return to your breath. Let's try that now. As you sit in meditation, perhaps a thought carries you away. This is just another leaf in the river. And when you have the awareness that you have jumped in the river and you are engaging with the thought, take the decision to place your awareness back with the breath. There's no need for judgment or conversation. Just move back to the bank with no judgment. Simply notice and return to the breath. for this round, continue to follow your breath. When you breathe in, know that you are breathing in. When you breathe out, know that you are breathing out. Continue to align your mind to your breath so that when a thought pops up, simply make the decision to return to following the breath. At the same time, I'd like for you to try and feel into the silence. Now, take this instruction how you will and explore the meaning of it. So in the next few moments, feel into silence. When you're ready, bring awareness back to the room. Notice the surface beneath you and perhaps the sounds around you. Take a nice, slow, gentle breath in and a breath out. When it feels right, open your eyes and see if you can carry this awareness with you by remaining on the riverbank for the rest of the day. Thank you for practicing with me on the Mind Body Mountain. If you would like to help YouTube place this video in front of someone who needs it, please drop a like, share or comment. And if you want to support the channel, have a look at joining the membership. Take care and I'll see you on the next one.